Welcome to our channel. The Brangelina story gets uglier as accusations of child abuse surface against Pitt in Angelina Jolie's divorce filing. Pitt choked one of the children, and hold onto your popcorn, folks. Angelina Jolie just tossed a serious curveball in her legal showdown with Brad Pitt. In court filings that read more like a Hollywood thriller than a divorce settlement, Jolie laid bare shocking allegations about Pitt's behavior during a chaotic 2016 flight that forever altered their family dynamic. Picture this: a private jet, 6 kids, and a massive fight that turns downright horrifying. Jolie claims Pitt choked one of the children and struck another in the face, alongside grabbing her by the head and shaking her like a rag doll. Talk about turbulence. The drama didn't stop there. It escalated to him allegedly pouring beer and red wine on Jolie and their kids. Federal authorities looked into the incident but opted not to file charges. Just days later, Jolie pulled the trigger on their divorce. No surprise there. This legal mess is about more than just a broken marriage. It's a bitter battle over Château Miraval, their once-shared winery, now the centerpiece of their tug-of-war. Jolie's filing claims negotiations for her to sell her stake tanked because Pitt demanded a non-disclosure agreement. That would have silenced her on his alleged abusive behavior. Seriously? In a battle like this, it feels like the drama could rival Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Pitt's lawyer, Anne Callie, is throwing down the gauntlet, saying he'll own up to past mistakes, but won't take the blame for things he didn't do. Meanwhile, Jolie paints a grim picture of their private jet from hell. It all started with Pitt accusing her of being too deferential to their kids, leading to him flying off the handle. When one child jumped in to defend Jolie, Pitt allegedly lunged at them, creating a scene that sounds more like a thriller than a family vacation. Jolie's legal team insists she's done everything to protect their kids from reliving the trauma. She has gone to great lengths, they wrote, but now that Pitt is fighting back to regain control, she's forced to publicly address these painful events. The FBI even got involved, investigating the flight and allegedly finding probable cause to charge Pitt. Yet, in a twist worthy of a movie script, they decided not to pursue charges, leaving Jolie in the lurch. How do you even navigate co-parenting after a scene like that? Now, Jolie is moving on, opting to sell her share of the winery, stating her discomfort with the alcohol business given Pitt's known struggles with alcohol. It's a power move, one that screams, "I'm taking back control." As both sides spin their stories, it's a wild ride. Pitt's camp claims Jolie bailed on negotiations after a custody ruling went against her, while Jolie argues it was his demand for a non-disparagement clause that made her seek out new buyers. The back and forth could fuel a soap opera for a year. In the end, this saga isn't just about love lost. It's a complex maze of emotions, legal battles, and the ever-present need to protect their 6 kids from the fallout. So, as we sit back and watch this drama unfold, can they ever find a peaceful resolution? Guess it's going to be a bumpy ride.